Hola amigos, David El Profe here, and today we're going to talk about probably the biggest question I get from teachers that are thinking about starting their own business to teach English to Spanish speakers, which is how to attract students. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most important question for any new teacher. How do I find students to sign up for my class? I've been teaching and running community-based language programs since 2005, and I've tested all kinds of marketing strategies, including things like websites, social media, flyers and other print materials, events, paid ads, radio. I've done everything you can possibly think of. And after years of experimenting and spending personally hundreds of thousands of dollars on training and advertising, I've boiled this process down to what actually works. And guess what? The best and fastest ways to attract students are actually free. You don't need to spend a lot of money. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to take action and do exactly what I'm about to teach you. So I'm going to show you three high impact strategies that are free, simple, and proven to help you fill your first class. These things include setting up a Google business profile so that local students can find you online, using Facebook to find and attract students, as well as posting flyers in high traffic community locations. In the next few videos, I'll walk you step by step through each activity so you know what to do, where to do it, what to say, and how to get students in your community. Just follow the steps, take action, and start recruiting students for your first class, one conversation at a time. You can do it. So